Fire by Night, August 1988, episode of the series 24, Satanism Unmasked II. Lauren Stratford leads this one. And how is Jesus the Prince of Peace if the Bible says he came not to bring peace, but a sword? Warnings about people being controlled is not exactly the same as inviting them. Exorcism is only by consent. People lost in a fantasy life of games do pose a risk. Satanism and gang activity is not the same. Fantasy role play is not the same as alternative religion. You know, they were really afraid of Dungeons and Dragons and stuff back in the day. Certain disbelief and sin can open the doors to more and deeper than planned. Rituals do build up the ability for more. I think all the lies being exposed lead people into the Church of Satan and theistic Satanism. I wonder just how much money Anton Casander LaVey made because of people lying about the Satanic Bible publicly. That and people like Carmen seem like the sort of people would not want to be like, to the point of joining something else. Yeah, because that Christian singer is really, really, really cheesy. So, yeah.